In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a spiral in Adobe Illustrator quickly and easily. If you've ever needed a spiral for logos, patterns, illustrations, or graphic design projects, Illustrator actually has a built-in tool that makes the process incredibly simple. The best part is that many people don't even realize this tool exists because it's slightly hidden inside another tool group. So in this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the spiral tool, how to draw a spiral on your artboard, and a few keyboard shortcuts that let you control the number of spiral segments and how tight the spiral becomes while you're drawing it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create clean, adjustable spirals in just a few seconds. And if you enjoy quick and easy Adobe Illustrator tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more design tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into Adobe Illustrator. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project and look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. In the toolbar, locate the Line Segment tool. This tool normally looks like a simple diagonal line icon. If you don't immediately see the spiral option, that's completely normal, because the spiral tool is grouped inside this line tool menu. To access it, click and hold on the Line Segment tool for a moment. When you hold the mouse button down, a small flyout menu will appear, showing several related tools. Inside this menu, you'll see a few different options, including the Line Segment tool, the Arc tool, the Spiral tool, and sometimes the Rectangular Grid and Polar Grid tools, depending on your workspace. From this list, select the Spiral tool. Once you click it, your cursor will change, which means Illustrator is now ready for you to draw a spiral on the artboard. Now that the Spiral tool is active, move your cursor over to your artboard. To create the spiral, simply click and drag on the artboard. As you drag your mouse outward, Illustrator will automatically generate a spiral shape. The direction you drag will determine the size of the spiral, and you'll see the shape preview in real time as you draw. Release your mouse when the spiral reaches the size you want. Just like that, you've created a spiral shape inside Illustrator. But the real power of this tool comes from the keyboard shortcuts you can use while drawing the spiral, which give you much more control over the final design. While you are clicking and dragging to draw the spiral, try pressing the up arrow key on your keyboard. Each time you press the up arrow, Illustrator will add more spiral segments. This increases the number of loops in the spiral, making it more detailed and extended. If you want fewer loops instead, press the down arrow key while you're still dragging. Each press will reduce the number of segments, simplifying the spiral shape. This is extremely useful when you're experimenting with different spiral styles, because you can adjust the complexity instantly without restarting the drawing process. Another very helpful control involves adjusting how tight the spiral is. While you're drawing the spiral, hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. As you continue dragging your mouse while holding Ctrl, you'll notice the spiral either tightens or expands depending on your movement. This allows you to control how closely the loops wrap toward the center of the spiral. Designers often use this technique when creating decorative graphics, abstract illustrations, or stylized patterns where the spiral spacing matters. After creating your spiral, remember that it's still a vector path, which means you can modify it just like any other Illustrator shape. You can change the stroke thickness, apply colors, add gradients, or even expand the appearance and edit anchor points using the Direct Selection tool. You can also scale the spiral up or down without losing quality, because Illustrator graphics are fully vector-based. This makes the spiral tool extremely useful for logo work, icon design, and complex illustrations. So just to quickly recap, go to the toolbar and find the Line Segment tool. Click and hold to open the hidden tool menu. Select the Spiral tool, then click and drag on your artboard to draw the spiral. Use the up and down arrow keys to control the number of spiral segments, and hold Ctrl while drawing to adjust how tight the spiral becomes. And that's how to create a spiral in Adobe Illustrator. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips, design tutorials, and quick creative tricks that can speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.